Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be more of a vlog style video, and leave in the comments if you actually want to see more of these sort of raw style videos, you know, less editing. Obviously still have the other videos, but more of just keeping you guys up to date with my life as a young Forex trader, you know, 18-year-old Forex trader for 2 more hours, and then I'll be a 19-year-old Forex trader. So I'm going to hopefully get this video up on the Monday, which is the WillssFX's birthday. You know, we're turning 19 at obviously midnight, so you know we're pretty close. So yeah, we're gonna see what happens there. Obviously nothing's gonna happen because I'm just gonna be laying in bed. I'm about to watch the new Peaky Blinders, so that'll be interesting. But what I've actually bought myself for my birthday, you know, I'm actually kind of celebrating my birthday with this purchase, and also celebrating, you know, we had a really good month in February, profit wise. So you know, I thought I'd kind of treat myself. And in here, this nice leather case, let me show you, I have Rolex, there you go, the Datejust 41mm with the fluted bezel, the rhodium diamond dial, you see the diamonds on there, and the Jubilee bracelet. So I bought this, and yeah, got it in this nice little leather case as well to keep it nice and safe when it's not on the old wrist. It's actually usually on the other wrist, the one with the old tattoos, but holding the camera of that one. The way I'm actually going to do this vlog to keep it more interesting is I have actually just got the details for my $100,000, as you can see, FTMO account. You know, not any of the challenges or anything. This is literally the real deal. So this is going to be the 80% profit split for any profit I make. So hopefully, if we enter a trade tomorrow and we win, make some nice birthday profit, and I'll catch it all live for you guys on the YouTube. Lots and lots of videos coming in, so if you guys are enjoying, subscribe to the channel. Drop comments down below for suggestions. If you want a podcast, leave it down below who you'd want to see on the podcast as well. So, you know, a lot of things I've got you guys to comment down there. But yeah, get commenting, get liking, get subscribing. And yeah, hopefully, I'll catch you guys at midnight, but hopefully tomorrow, we make some nice profit on the FTMO and get off to a good start for the first profit split. Catch you guys soon. Okay guys, so it is actually the morning now. Well, pretty much the morning. We're just coming to 11 AM, and we are looking at the gold charts as we always do at the start of the week, see what's happening, see if we gapped. And as you see at the market open, look at this crazy wick to the upside, and then we got that drop down. Pretty sure I said in my last weekly breakdown the price would come to this level and then drop, but let me just check that. Okay guys, so as you see, on the last weekly breakdown, I said the price would come to this level in a 15-minute and then drop. What we had was price literally came, I mean, pretty much this level I have marked on from that video, as you see going across, pretty much was tapped into absolutely perfectly, pretty much. You know, we retested that zone and dropped. But as you know, I don't usually trade the market open, so this wasn't really of any interest to me. But to be fair, we did actually come into that zone again this morning at 1 AM. Again, I wasn't interested in trading at 1 AM, especially just after the market has actually opened. Absolutely no interest to me. But, you know, it's a bit tricky at the moment. We are just in this consolidation area. What we'd like to see is maybe a breakout and then just get in on the retest. So, you know, when price breaks out of these consolidation zones, 9 times out of 10, it will retest that same zone again. And if you know how to get the entries back into that zone, you're absolutely loving life with your trading. Then you can just maximize your profits and, well, make loads of money basically. But yeah, what I'm gonna do is I've got a lot of chocolate to eat, you know, because it's my birthday. Gonna just eat some chocolate, then do a gym workout, so then it kind of like cancels the other one out, if you know what I mean. But yeah, what we're gonna do, have a quick look at the different pairs I've actually got here. So we've got GU as well, haven't got anything marked up on there yet, but as you see, we created a gap, filled it instantly. GJ, haven't got anything marked. UJ had that short last week, nothing much for now. As you see, most of the pairs are pretty much sideways or slowly trending in a direction. But yeah, not really much interest to me at the moment. But if I do actually enter or look at entering a certain trade, I'll let you guys know. But without further ado, catch you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so we could see a potential setup here on GBP USD, pound to the US dollar. So we kind of got this setup here. The issue is we kind of got this level down here as well, which is, you know, just above the 1.31 level, which, as you guys know, psychological level. If we draw that across, look where it perfectly tapped into before and pretty much bounced from. It's that 1.31 level on GU. And as you can see, since the open, we have actually been quite bearish, but I could see a New York push happen before then, you know, seeing another drop down further. It missed my original entry at this area, so that's why I'm kind of looking for this retest. If we actually hold at this retest, then we could see price actually go to the upside. Look for a better risk reward than this. You know, we could see that level hit, but I don't know, 1.315 looks like quite a nice area as well, and that is a nice 1 to 3. But also could even go down to 5 pip stops, because if we break this low here, so if we break below here, then I do see price have a retest in this area and then carry on to the downside to maybe this level or that 1.31. So we could just get in with tight stops and then see what happens from there. It will be interesting because gold pretty much hasn't moved, just sideways. And yeah, all the other pairs, you know, GJ are kind of the same setup as GU, and UJ pretty much done nothing. But yeah, hopefully we get a bit more movement, but that is kind of the only update I have for now. We've got kilo, 1 kilo with M&M's, you know, it's got 5,000 calories to get through, so yeah, keep me busy. If you see next week I'm double the weight, then you guys will know why. But yeah, that's the update I have for now. GU, set an alert here, boom, set it just above actually, so let's say price comes down to that level, we then have time to see, okay, is it holding the level? Then we can use the phone to go on the Stinu app to calculate the lot size, and then we would actually enter on the FTMO account. Hopefully we get a few nice setups this week. Catch you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so painful on GU. So as you guys can see here, look what's happened. That was my entry down there, absolutely skyrocketed, but we literally just missed out on that pullback, you know, by pretty much a matter of pips. If I actually look, we actually missed out by, I think, around 4 pips, 5 pips, and we've absolutely skyrocketed. Remember I said the entry was down there, absolutely skyrocketed, just because I was too busy eating some chocolate, missed out on the entry. You know, risk reward wise, remember I said getting that 1 to 5 pip stop loss even, you know, we'd be up 11%, we have 11 grand right now, but you know, it is what it is. Not really much we can do about that now. Not really much we can do. Gold also, you know, we created just wick down so crazily. Look at that massive wick and then straight back up. Quite crazy. Market's just quite wild right now. But yeah, tough scenes with the GU trade. But you know, we move on. There'll be plenty more opportunities. So now, gonna head off to the gym. Well, head off to the gym, just walk down the hallway and there's my gym. But you know, gonna head down there and then, yeah, get back to the trading hopefully. Okay guys, so more missed trade opportunities. So there's one on gold. I was actually in the shower after my, I came out of the gym, went to shower, the alert went off when I was in the shower. So that's quite painful. And we're also looking at this AU, so AUD USD setup, which literally just missed by 0.7 of a pip. And if you see now, we would be up over 1% already, you know, in a matter of minutes. But yeah, it is what it is. There's not really much we can do about it. 0.7 pips. it is what it is. I literally had my phone on the trade order, ready to place the trade. We literally just missed our entry, which meant obviously if we enter too early, the risk to reward is going to be different. So it wouldn't be risking 1%, we'd be risking slightly more than 1%. And obviously I don't really want to do that. I want to be risking that set 1% per trade. And it doesn't really matter if you enter slightly higher, because obviously you're just going to lose less. You'll make more and you'll lose less. So it doesn't really matter in that aspect. But if you're entering too early, it can definitely affect the risk to reward. But as you see, we could see a nice entry here. Gold could give us another entry as well. You know, if we're looking on the hour, not really ideal, but we are kind of still in this downwards trend, although we did fail to create this new low, so it will be interesting. It's fine, I'm not actually in that trade at the moment. GU, GJ, didn't enter GJ, and UJ haven't entered. And this is the one I've just been looking at, AUD USD. You know, pair I used to trade quite a lot, especially when I was doing my funding talent. I'm pretty sure I might have traded it a few times over the past year or so. And on this trade it will be 20 lots, because 5 pip stop on this pair risking 1% is actually a 20 lot trade. As you see, it's literally dropping now. So, you know, it is what it is. Oh my god, that is so painful to see. So painful seeing price literally miss by 0.7 pips. We could set an alert just in case price comes back to that level, but I don't know if it will. You know, we almost tapped in, you know, almost 2%. Oh, it's not looking good. It's not looking good for us. Would have been a sniper entry as well. You know, we could have just got a little entry lower, but stuck to the plan, and pretty much it would have been up 2% now, which is very painful. But gold could have got another entry. Oh god, the markets do not like me today. You know, they should be kind. It's my birthday. They should be, you know, tagging me in all the trades, hitting all my perfect levels. All this imbalance left to fill. So that's why I could see it dropping from this level. But also we did fail to create a new low below here. So that's why I kind of thought, you know, once these buys actually happened, I actually waited for multiple confluences in this area. Oh my god. Don't even let me see AU. Look at that. 0.7 pips away from my entry. 0.6 pips even. And we'd be up 3% right now. That's 3 grand. 3 grand. Just because we missed by 0.6 pips, 3 grand has no longer entered the bank account. Now we have to wait for another opportunity to make that money. But yeah, that was a little update. I will screen record on my phone or press record on the camera if I actually get an entry in any of these pairs. Hopefully I do, because obviously I want to make money. I don't want to be missing these setups by like less than a pip, pretty much. You know, it's not ideal at all. But yeah, it is what it is. It's not going to be perfect trading every time. But yeah, let's catch you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so as you can see, we're coming to our entry on AUD USD. So we're actually going to set that limit. Stop loss 74234. There we go. Okay, and we're going to, for this trade, set the TP and maybe a 1 to 3. So 74033, like that sort of thing. And hopefully now this gets tagged in and we go straight into profit. We go down to lower time frame now so we can see it a bit better. If we actually just 0.184, drag that across like that so we can see it. You know, is price even going to come up and tap it? I don't know. I guess that's what we're going to see now. You know, we could just reject this same area which we've been rejecting before. UJ, again, missed our area. GJ could be coming down again now here. But yeah, this is one we're eyeing up, and as you see again, falling from that area. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is painful. This is actually so painful. Would almost be at the TP already. But once again, missed by 0.6 or 0.7 pips. But we have faith. We have faith in the trade. To be fair, if price holds this level again, we could just see buys back up to here, or even, you know, if we don't go below this level, then we could see buys, you know, further up. But as long as we keep below this high here and we don't close above and create a new high, then I still expect to see price, you know, making a move to the downside, like that sort of thing, like that. But yeah, that was so annoying. It is what it is. I thought, oh, we're going to catch it live, we're going to get tagged in perfectly, but clearly not. That is not the case. But, you know, it is what it is. Could this be the actual moment it tags us in? You know, I saw it wick up a little bit, started recording, you know, I got a little bit excited. Hopefully, it taps us in. The speech goes well, and then we drop to our TP perfectly. But, you know, it is what it is. We will see. Just holding like this sort of level, like that, then you've got to think about it, right? If everyone is thinking, okay, it's holding this area, this area, this area, then they're selling here. Boom, we're going to wick up, boom, sell down. That's what I have in my mind for this sort of area. So that's kind of what I want to see. It's not a good sign, or if we hit our TP and we don't actually hit the TP like we did here, because price was actually just missing our entry, that wouldn't be ideal. But oh, it's not looking good. But I have hope. I have hope in the markets. Okay, here we go. Come on. How many minutes left? Alright, we got 3 minutes till this little speech. This could be our chance. Come on. Come on, gold. Not gold. Come on, AU, please. Just give us the entry that we need. You know, we only need like 10 pips, 2%-ish, and then we'll be sorted, you know. Let's see what happens. Okay. So are we going to get that little spike up to enter us? We're not in the trade yet. Okay, the limit. The alert has actually been hit. Let's see if we can get tagged in and then drop on this trade. You know, proper live trading. Is it going to tag us in? There we go. We are tagged in to the trade. We are currently minus $60, minus 40. But hopefully, you know, 1% or 2% and I'm happy. Look at that sniper entry. Come on, drop now, drop now. Let's see what we can do at this level. I'm going to pray to the Forex gods. You know, that's all we need, the Forex gods, to bless us here. Okay, we're up $100. We're up $100. But we do actually have $60 in charges for actually entering a trade because of the 20 lot size. You know, it's quite big. Ooh, bit drawdown. Minus 140, 160, 180, minus 200. It's not good, it's not good. Oh, bit of indecision at the moment. Okay, we're just holding strong. So, stop loss is set, TP is set. There's no need to worry now. So we just have to, you know, let price do its thing pretty much. I have more confluences for this trade than I do for this one, just based on different confluences in the trade. And there we go. There we go. $300, $400. There we go. There we go. As you can see, you know, $300 profit. As you can see, we're floating. I'll probably close if it gets like 2%, so like 10 pips in profit. Obviously it doesn't sound a lot, but 2% is 2%, you know, that's free money because FTMO, free money. If I make any profit this month for this profit split, so let's say I close now, it's just free profit because I get my refund from the challenge fee. So it'll just be free anyway. So hopefully we can get, you know, 2%, let's say maybe. Okay, that's not looking great. Not looking great on the current 5-minute candle. You know, we've still got about 2 minutes left of it, but it's not looking good. You know, we're down a couple, you know, $400 right now. Down almost 0.5%. You know, like it's only like 2.5 pips. Yeah, there you go. And also because of the charges as well. But, you know, I still have faith in the trade. You know, 15 minutes isn't looking great. but we could still see the drop from here. Set some alerts like that so we kind of know where price is at while we're going and doing other stuff. But yeah, hopefully we now hit the TP, and I'll catch up with you guys if we actually hit the TP or one of my alerts goes off, because I don't really want to be sat here for hours just staring at the charts. But as you see now, we're kind of dropping down nicely. Here. There we go. We could see it happen right now actually before I leave you guys. But yeah, there's no point just sit here watching it. You know, you can just be forced to close it early or something like that. So I'm going to stop the recording. I'm going to go about my business, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Okay guys, it's literally been about 10 seconds and we're already back into profit. You know, it's not loads of profit, but we're back into profit. Spreads look like they've widened a fair bit, but we're back into profit. You know, that first alert just went off. I just got a tweet saying that the economy is no longer in need of aggressive Fed support. So yeah, we're in profit. You know, we're up $100, $140. So it's absolutely perfect. There we go, $300. Look at that drop. Oh my God, this is beautiful. $300. Continue down now. Come on, AUD USD. A pair I'd probably trade once every couple of weeks. Could this be the one? Ukraine could never surrender. Okay, more interesting news on the old Twitter notifications. But yeah, hopefully we get this drop now. Come on, gold. Why am I saying gold? You know, this trade's making me lose the plot, you know. It's just been up and down all day. In and out of profit, you know. But yeah. Hopefully, we hit TP. Catch you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so we've got some very, very good news. If I just flip the camera around now, you'll be able to see what I'm on about. So, the trade hit the TP. We closed out for just over 2%. Although we did melt, 2% is 2%. And you know, I'm very, very happy with that. If I actually show you on the MT4, to show you guys, the account balance is now 102,000. And the history, the trade I entered, £2,200 or $2,200. TP absolutely smashed. I did screen record as well, so we'll overlay here the screen recording of that trade actually hitting the TP, so you guys can actually see it in action, because you know, I was there for like half an hour recording, and the one time I don't record my face is when the trade actually hits TP, which, you know, it is absolutely, it's just typical, isn't it? But TP is actually hit, so the birthday profit did actually arrive, and we made over $2,000 on the FTMO. So now for the rest of the month, until I get my profit split, I can kind of take it easy. You've made a couple grand, you know, after the 80% profit split, and after it is converted into pounds, there will be like a little bit less, but you know, it is what it is. It's still free profit at the end of the day. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. It's more of a raw, long form content. Hope you guys like it. Bit of live trading. People always ask for live trading, so here you guys go. But yeah, like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you guys for the next FTMO update soon.